Hey everybody out in YouTube. This is a 2000 YZ125 Yamaha. Uh, it's got a blown top end right now and a bald back tire. And we purchased it recently. It was still running when we bought it, but it had very low compression. We rode it for about a week and it lost all compression and wouldn't even start now. Won't even start. So it's leaking antifreeze out of the weep hole on the water pump, and we just have no compression whatsoever. I can turn this thing over, as you can see, by hand very easily, and that's even with it in gear. But I did get a Namura top end kit, and we're gonna try to pull the motor out. And this is my son Liam. This is his bike. We also have a new back tire. He's excited about that to tear up my lawn. But yeah, we also have some other projects we'll probably post in the future. We have this mini bike that we're gonna make into a trike, hopefully. So, but for now, we're just gonna start with this, and yeah, we'll update you as we go along, pulling this motor out and doing the top end kit.